Hey friends, and welcome to Yoga with Rachel, and also welcome to our 7-day yoga challenge. Today is day 0, so today's chat is intended to provide some insight in relation to what the next 7 days will look like. First, if you haven't done so already, please head on over to yogawithrachelmarie.com and click on the calendar heading, or go to the community tab on YouTube to download the schedule for our challenge. The schedule includes the length for each class, as well as the focus for each practice. I encourage you to stick with the schedule. However, I do understand that life happens, so drop in whenever you can. These practices will remain available to you on YouTube. You can join these classes in the morning, in the afternoon, and early evening. It totally is up to you, and it depends on your schedule. With that said, there may be a few classes that you want to do a bit earlier on in the day, especially ones that are a bit more energizing. A common question is, what do I need for the challenge? The simple answer is you. With that said, a yoga mat would be handy for grip and also to pad the knees. If you have a blanket, pillow, or couch cushions available, bring them to your space and then have them there just in case you wish to make use of them. Nice to have items are yoga blocks. You can use thick books instead. These props can offer support, helping us stay in postures with more ease. With that said, I will provide options throughout our journey, just in case these items are not available. Another question that I get is, what should I wear? So simply anything that feels comfortable for you and something that you can move and breathe in with ease. So wherever you are right now, whether you are on your mat, in bed, on a couch, or sitting on a chair, I invite you to find a comfortable seat of your choice. And once you have done that, I invite you to explore finding length through your spine. So this may mean looping the shoulders forward, up and back a few times, creating space. Perhaps this means finding some movement in the neck. And then we eventually explore stillness. I invite you to look down and past your nose as you breathe in through your nose. And then breathe out through your nose or your mouth. On your next breath in, send your arms and your hands from left to right, nice and wide. Draw your hands back in space, and then breathe out to give yourself a loving hug. Right arm over top of the left, fingertips rest on your shoulder blades. Breathe in here, and then breathe out. Can you explore creating space between your ears and your shoulders as you breathe in and out? Perhaps creating some space in your jaw by parting your teeth and your lips. And perhaps even just bringing awareness to the breath, following your breath as it travels into your body and out. On your next breath in, unravel, sending your arms from left to right. Draw your hands back in space to lift up through the heart, through your chest. And then breathe out to give yourself another loving hug. Left arm over top of the right. Fingertips rest on your shoulder blades. Breathe in here. And then breathe out. So we are starting off with a loving hug as a way to set the tone for our yoga challenge and also the year ahead. So right here, right now, I invite you to thank yourself. Thank yourself for showing up here today, and perhaps even for making a commitment to show up for the next 7 days of our yoga challenge. Again, this is just an invitation. Feel free to take it if you wish, or you can leave it. Breathe in here, and then breathe out to unravel, releasing your hands to your thighs or in your lap. I now invite you to close your eyes. Take in the deepest breath that you have taken in all day through your nose. Hold your breath at the top, and then let your breath go through your mouth. Open mouth exhale. Open up your eyes and take a moment to notice how you feel. Day 1 of our challenge starts tomorrow at 9 a.m. Eastern Time. Drop in whenever you can, and I will meet you there. Until then, have a wonderful day and Happy New Year's. Take good care. Namaste.